Here we will write try except else statement in Python. The try except else statement works as follows. If an exception occurs in the try clause, Python skips the rest of the statements in the try clause and the except statement is executed. And in case no exception occurs in the try clause, the else clause will execute it. General syntax is try, and inside try clause we will write the code that may cause the errors. Then except, and inside except clause we will write the code that handles the exceptions. And then else, and inside else we will write the code that executes when no exception occurs. For example, inside try clause we will write c equal to 6 divided by 3, and if error occurs we will write two except statements, one with 0 division error and another is type error, and inside else we will print division is c. When we execute this, it will give the output 2. Since 6 divided by 3 will give the output 2 and no error occurs, so else block is executed and it will print division equal to 2. Now we will write the program to execute try else statement. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will accept two number from the user. So a equal to int input, enter first number. Then in B we will accept second number. So int input, enter second number. Then we will write try clause. So try c equal to a divided by b. Then in except we will write 0 division error and we will print division by 0. Then we will write another except statement with type error, and here we will print data type mismatch, and then we will write else statement, and here we will print division equal to c. Then we will save this and we will execute this. I will enter first number as 6, second number as 3. It will print division equal to 2.0. Since no error occurs, it will execute the else clause and print division. If we execute again, I will give first number 5, second number as 0. It will print division by 0 error. That is, if no error occurs, it will execute the else clause. It will execute the statements under except block, under except clause, which will catch the error.